Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sophia. Hope you are having a wonderful day. So today I have a recipe for you. I'm going to be making akara. Akara is beans cake. We call it akara in Nigeria, so it's beans cake. So I'm going to be showing you how I make my akara. Okay guys, stay tuned. Okay guys, before we start, let me just introduce you to what I'm going to be using. So I got this beans flour. It already has pepper on it, as you can see. I got this from Nigeria. My husband brought it from Nigeria. So we're going to be using 1 egg, and we're going to be using some peppers and onion. There is already pepper in here, hot peppers, scotch bonnet in here, so I'm not going to be adding that. So I'm just going to be blending some onion, peppers, okay, and I'm also going to be adding slicing these ones. This is spring onion, okay, and I'm going to be using aromat and salt. Okay guys, so I'm going to be adding this to my blender, and I'm going to blend them, and then take the beans powder, the blended one. I'm going to be pouring it in my bowl. Okay, let's get started. Okay guys, I'm going to be adding my pepper and onion in there, and I'm not going to be adding a lot of water, because with akara you don't need a lot of water. That's one thing I've learned. You don't need a lot of water, you know. So I'm going to be adding them into the blender to blend. Okay. Just as I said, this already got pepper inside already, so it's quite spicy. If you don't like spicy stuff, please get a normal plain beans. Okay guys, so I'm going to be adding my blended peppers and tomato in there. Remember, you don't need a lot of water, because we are making moi moi. We are not making we are making akara, not moi moi. So it's akara we are making, not moi moi. Okay, so we don't need so much water, so I'm quite conscious of the water. So I'm just going to give that a stir. If I need more water, I will add a bit more. Okay, I think I need a bit of water. As you can see, it's a bit dry, so I'm just going to rinse the blender out. Okay, let's stir it now and see if we still need more water. I'm just going to add just a little bit more water, not the whole of this water, just a bit more. Yeah, I think that's okay. I'm just going to give it a stir. I'm going to be adding my salt now. So I'm going to be adding a little teaspoon and a little bit, okay, of salt, because aromats also have salt as well. So I'm going to be adding some aromats. I'll give it a stir. And then I'm going to be adding my sliced vegetables inside. I'll give it a stir. This is optional. This is optional, okay? If you don't want to add sliced vegetables, you don't have to. It's optional. I'm just quickly going to taste it and see if I need to add more aromat. Just a tiny little bit. Yeah, I think that will do. It's very spicy. Okay, so now I'm going to start frying. Okay guys, so I'm going to be frying it on a medium heat. So you're going to fry it until the akara is golden brown on both sides. Can you see that they are coming up to the surface? It's not sinking down on the oil. So that's why it's good to, you can use your egg wicks to also whisk the beans in case you don't have a hand mixer. So you can see that they've come up and it's not sinking into the oil. So you just leave it to cook, so golden brown on both sides. You have to turn it. So I'm just going to leave them to cook for less than a minute or a minute, let's say a minute on one side, then turn it. Okay, it's like about a minute, so now you can turn it. You can see that it's looking golden brown. So you're just going to fry the other side just a bit until it's looking like this color, golden brown. Then we are going to take them out and repeat the process again. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share it, comment, subscribe for more video, and turn on the notification bell, the one that said all, for more video to be notified when I post more videos. Okay guys, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Okay, I think we can take them out soon. Yeah, just fry that part just a bit. Okay guys, we can take them out now because it's golden brown on both sides. Don't want them to get burnt, so I'm putting them in my sieve there with the kitchen towel. So we are just going to repeat the same process again. Just want to clear the oil. And then we're going to repeat the same process again until we've completed. Okay, so you take more and add. So we'll just wait for these ones to cook, to become golden brown, just like the first one. Okay guys, I'm just flipping them. I'm just turning them rather. English. Just turn them to the other side. And I'm taking these ones out. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy watching to this point. Comment, subscribe if you haven't done so already. Share this video so someone can learn this. I also learned it. I didn't know how to make this before, but I also learned it. Someone taught me how to do it, a friend of mine. Okay, so I thought I would share it with you guys in case you've been struggling to make akara. Okay, so I'm just going to leave those to golden brown a bit, then I'm going to fry the rest of them. It's nearly ready. It tastes very delicious, guys. I've tried it already. So soft. Yeah, and turn on the notification bell, the one that said all. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.